this video, we're going to discuss the goal seeking feature. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the data tab. And before I select anything else, I'm going to go ahead and put my cursor in C12. And I'm going to go to, on the data tab, the what if analysis in the forecast group, and I'm going to click goal seek. Now we have a few things here that we need to populate. C12 is the cell that we're going to set for our goal. And on this, we're going to make our goal 63 million. And the third part is, what cell are we going to change to reach this goal? So we're going to go ahead and select C8, and then watch over here when I click OK. The numbers are going to change. Notice that it says that we have to make 16 million to reach our goal of 63 million here. And if I click OK, it'll go ahead and set that.